Modernized spaces have made an impact for the students and staff here at Brentwood by allowing students to really have the opportunity to collaborate, to become critical thinkers with the spaces that they're utilizing. It's really been amazing to see our staff really embrace the open spaces that we have so students can work together. It's just an amazing feeling when you walk into our building because you can just feel the collaboration and just the excitement of learning.
I think the modernized spaces have really impacted my work because it makes me excited to come to a brand new building and seeing new equipment, and I think it does the same for the students. I think they feel a little bit safer in a brand new school and feel more welcoming in a decorated space such as this and see brand new equipment, and they get excited to come to school and use it every day.
It's really nice to have our own playground, and you can climb around, and it's huge and it's really fun to play at. I like that there's the cafeteria room and the gym are right next to each other, and there's a sliding wall in between. So in PE sometimes if we need a lot of space, they open up the wall and we can use the whole cafeteria space also. And I really like that because it means we have more space for just everything.
I have two favorite parts about the new spaces. The first part is the bulldog wall, and it has colors, kind of like Andy Warhol look on the wall that's next to the gym. The other favorite places that I have are the individual classrooms that are part of the old building, so I get to see glimpses of the old school mixed in with the new.
I really love the collaboration spaces. We have those in every single wing for each grade level. We have a beautiful maker space that it's the old gym of Brentwood. They've renovated it to a maker space where there's a lot of STEM activities, science and math. We do a lot of presentations in there. We do a lot of professional development for our staff in there.
In my music room, we have such a large space. We have room to move our bodies, and we have the capacity to make more noise and just create endlessly, and I think it's so awesome. We weren't able to do that in previous spaces. If we were next door, we had to be quiet. Now we can use our voices, use our bodies in more flexible ways, and I think that's great.
When I first walked in, it was for a Meet the Teacher, and I was like, whoa, because during the summer and when we were there, I'd still come to Brentwood Park and I would see them building up, and I was thinking, I can't wait to go inside this school. And when I went inside, I was so confused also because it was so big and I didn't know where everything was, but I got used to it easily, and I was just very surprised and wow, this is really cool.
My first thought was just we are so lucky. It was just excitement and honor, and it was just a lot of fun. And then we got to decide how we were going to use the spaces, and that was a lot of conversations and team building with my staff and parents and stakeholders to say, how do we want to do this?
When we first were able to see the modernized space, we were just astonished at the transformation that had taken place. To be able to have a building that embodied the past and then our future, we just really were just wow, you guys really took the time to make this space still part of the community, but modernized.
Seeing the modernized spaces for the very first time was so exciting. I think my brain went into planning mode to think of what we could do with every single area I looked at, of just seeing the potential of what we could add to it and thinking of everything that we could bring to the students in this space. It was just so exciting, and we couldn't wait to plan to do things once they walked in.
If I could describe Brentwood in one word, I would say loving. This is such a special place. It's hard to put it into one word, but to me, loving encompasses things such as inclusivity. It encompasses things such as equity and warmth and restorative practice and strong, high academic expectations.
I love the home environment of Brentwood. To just even say one word that could describe Brentwood as being home is just not enough. There's so many things. There's community, there's love, there's support, there's friendship.
I would describe the Brentwood community as strong. I think we have such a solid foundation from our parents to our admin to our staff and even our students. We've got a great community of people who are always willing to help whenever we need, and I think this brand new space just says that we can match that too for the community.
All students deserve a modernized space to really hone in on those 21st century skills will make them really successful out in the world one day.
All students deserve modernized spaces because it gives them the opportunity to have equal playing fields with everyone else. So if all schools have modernized spaces, there is no inequality that's there. All students have all the appropriate equipment that they need in order to learn and feel safe.
I think students deserve modernized spaces because I want them to be excited to go to school. Even at such a young age, it's hard enough to walk into a brand new space, meet new people, and we want to make sure that they have the best of the best. And when they come into school every day, we want them to be excited. We want them to want to be there, and it makes for a better energy in the staff as well.
I think all students deserve spaces like this because everyone should be treated equally, and we're different but the same, because everyone is a human being and everyone deserves to be taught the same way and in the same space as everyone else.